Alright, my people, welcome back to another video. Yes, sir. The bathroom, yeah? This is the master bathroom. So I have a whole of this of the tile. Right room. Shower area.
That I live.
Alright, the people.
Right?
Yeah.
This I, that I live. This are 10. So this are 9.
Shut it.
That's just that is Yama Italy.
Quello non sul barco
You know I heard mercy up there.
No. I'm about to slow passing. So down my double thing come from. Are you?
And that's what this I said. Just a minute. Mark it for me, sir. Just mark it.
Let me see. You
9 so you already tried 9 tomorrow.
Alright, so it's a mic up on this.
Yeah, I think I don't know if you do.
What?
Try the one time
And 9 and 10 for my man, but 9 and my go right through.
Okay.
1 and 10 and my
Alright, my peeps, so as you can see what we are doing. Yeah, we're going. We don't want none with the number pump.
Okay. Yeah, just put on.
Drop in this one. so the wall of one of the people.
Yeah,
As you can see. Yes, so everything is one. Over this stuff.
I like a sign of for money. That's it.
Yeah, so we have fit some time over this.
Oh, Jesus, look on the fence, son. Thank God we find you back. You know, I'm going to live.
So we are going to bring up some shots. And you run.
What man I get a bucket for myself, right? Two more people I'm bringing out. One gone with that. One more time, it's done one piece.
Touch you and out there. Isa ya soprano.
Road one done. Outside. I just like to tell them try my if you pick out that. You know the right things.
So Mr. Weber, so we will close off. Yeah. So we can take we
Well, I know
can
I'm
try.
cheap and black and I'm
Yeah, what more the less. Kaya you have this on board.
So what do you offer?
Must have go away. No.
Yeah, so the wall of one kind of sticky.
Have space, you need this up. Look.
Yeah, so this is how we look, you know. So almost everything I got a ceiling. So everything looking good, my people. One more rope on the top. That's how basically the last row now to cover the window. Shine back them tiles together. Yeah, so this one go up same way. One more rope this one. Yeah, someone will line up in the side now. Yeah, for you window.
Alright, keep it. 22.
What's it? What size of a test? Who's giving this one a test?
All that tile now might be tough brush. Just one little piece.
Give this one a test. Done.
Don't cut it. Don't have brown?
No, of course.
Right, my peeps, so this is the master bathroom. So this is how we do. So we lock up around the window. Yeah, we have the one level where we lock up same with it. Yeah, so this is about to close off. They have more added something, man. The inside piece. Anything I go inside, like mostly. I have to just finish that piece of wall. I will now want to map out now. I'm going to get the bottom with this one. Yeah, I'm going to just close off this one. Yes, the bathroom look good. Yeah, just the window that can close off and all. All of them pieces I can cut out and
It's not senior boy now.
what you mean, man? They enough to travel, man.
That's the man to me. I'll be there. I say, yo, I tell you, you know, but I'm this boy.
So yeah, so the cabinet area. Yeah, so that piece of wall I close off already.
I'm going to hit the button.
Yeah, so
Most of this have to go there. But you know that? I don't know business. But let's keep moving back there. I don't mean anything. Come on, that's big yes, man.
yeah, so I just said it's about to close off. So yeah. Cabinet area. Alright, my people, so the bathroom done up here now. Every tile drop in. Yeah. So as you can see, all of the tile them drop in. From floor to ceiling. Yeah, so everything drop in. Nice look. Yeah, so as I said, the window them 45. No trim, so everything 45 with. Here I know say a trim would I use. This size 45. All of the window them 45. So we have 2 windows. Yeah, so everything 45. Yeah, nice look. Straight line down the line. Yeah. So this is how the bathroom look like, you know. So the thing we are approaching now is the shower. So this now, this is how the shower will look like. So them tile are just trial yet. Them just mark out and cut. Them no layers yet. So this is how it will basically look like. And then the shower some pebble I go inside. So I'm gonna show you what the pebble look like. Yeah, so this is the shower tile. So we have to now cut it out. I know so I have to cut it out. Dry lay, cut it, and then you lay. Yeah, so this is how it look like. So basically I cut it out now. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how the shower will look like in the sun up, you know. So I say this like it's like a border around it. Yeah, so shower drop in here so. So I say them are just dry lay. Yeah, so them no lay as yet. So then I know we skim out the floor, the shower floor. Yeah, so we're looking good so far, my people. Yeah. So this is the wall over the cabinet. Or the face basin. Yeah, so face basin. We have the wall here. So yeah. So yes, my people, so that makes the bathroom nice. And I just need to draw some growth on it. But you know, we'll get out all of them part at first. Yeah. All window 45. No trim. So yes, my people, get in there. And as I say, we'll drop in them now, get the place organized. Yeah. So alright, my people, so we're going to catch on them thing now. So, on the 45 there. This is how we have to do about people, so as I say, we have to put out the shower. So I'll get them a drop on the same time. Yeah, so we have 4 pieces put in around the side. Alright, okay, so we're going to pitch on that 45 here. Yes, so I'm 45 pieces I'm going to pitch on. Copy number 10. The last piece of some people we have this one. Currently night now.
No, sir.
So what about?
I don't know what.
How will you not see me and say how will you it?
Go check the breaker. The same one.
people, so see it there. Done with it, you know. Yeah, so I go line up inside, skim out the shower, get the shower drop in. Alright, my people, the bathroom almost finished, you know. Yeah, so yeah.
Pause.
Then that drop in and everything.
At least now I want to be to blood clot for you.
So alright, my people. So see it now. Shower cast up. Yeah, so just to dry. I throw some tile on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so now everything nice. 45. No trim. Bathroom nice, my people. Looking good. Alright, my people, so the shower button start crapping. Yeah, so this is the stage over there right now. One. Which one? That's it, yeah.
From the, you know, on the corner one.
Hmm?
You know, on the corner one, nobody say it.
You can't have a bit that.
Ah, you got things over there.
Yeah, let me just get you what is that first.
See, corner one, this, you have to catch this.
Eh?
You have to catch this. Look.
Oh, I say can?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me get you. Let me just. What's it in?
Yeah, I have to take that.
So you're dropping in the shower, people. Yes, my people, so I want to put on some mosaic. Alright, my people, so the shower floor are gone. Take time to drop in when I come down the line. Alright, my people, so the shower done here now. So everything drop in. Yeah, so this is how the shower look like. Yeah, so we just need to do some grouting, you know, just grouting left. So bathroom nice, my people. Yeah. Everything up. So as I say, just some grouting left, you know. Yeah, man, looking good. Yeah, so I'm say just basically grouting left, you know. Yeah, nice shower. Yeah, shower straight grout up, you know. Yes, my peeps, so this is how the bathroom look like. This is how I reach. Yeah. Yeah, this is how over the sink. Alright, the ceiling. Right, my peeps, so the bathroom done grow up. Yeah, so everything grow up, you know. So it look like. Yeah, so 2 small niche there, so everything 45. So this bathroom I use a trim. You know, 45 the wall of the edge them. So nice shower. That's everything right to ceiling. Yeah. So the work still going in here. As I see everything complete. Yes, so the top video so we put up seam way. Yeah, so the door now for the bathroom. Yeah, so as you can see, my people shower growth up. Everything growth. Yeah, so we'll do a little bit of tiling in here, so that's one piece of wall. Yeah. Yeah, so I say everything complete, my people, so just need to clean up, you know, man, you know. As Mr. Work are going in here, so, you know, can get a nice clean video, but, you know, the job complete. Yeah, and this is how it look like. Yeah, so as I say, the tub there to put up.